Hi, my name is Drew Cannon. I'm a power engineer with Schweitzer Engineering Laboratories, and today I'm going to be talking about some helpful tips and tricks with sequential event recordings, or SERs, in Synchrowave Event. First, let's take a look at an SER as a text file. SERs are records created by SEL relays to keep track of important changes. They're stored as text files with the date and time that relay digitals change state. Because they're text files, you can add comments. For example, I've added comments whenever close 3P changes state here, so we can see when it asserts and deasserts. Even though SCRs are text files, you can open them in Synchrowave Event. Let's take a look at how to do that now. First, we could right-click, select Open With, and then select SEL Synchrowave Event. The other option is we can right-click, show more options, rename, and change the extension to SER. And we will confirm that. And now you can see the Synchrowave Event logo is here, which lets us know that Windows recognizes this as a Synchrowave Event file. So let's go ahead and open that up. Okay, let's take a look at this file in Synchrowave Event. We're going to get rid of the analog chart because all we have in this file are digitals. First, we note that all the digitals that are in the SCR are available here in Synchrowave Event. Let's take a look at this one, Relay Settings Changed. You'll notice that there's a tilde before Relay Settings Changed. The reason for that is that some digitals, like settings changes and power ons, do not have the same precise time as other relay digitals. Synchrowave Event adds a tilde to them to let you know that the timing is not exact. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this SCR in the settings viewer. There are two views, grid view and text view. Let's take a look at text view first. Text view just has the same exact text as your text file. One nice feature is that we've added a search. So for example, if I search close 3P, I can cycle through all of the asserts and deasserts of my three-phase closed digital. Now, let's take a look at grid view. Grid view is a little bit more organized. When I search in grid view, let's search close 3P, it will actually filter out the lines of my SCR so that only the lines that include close 3P will show. And again, we still have our date and time and our asserted or deasserted and every comment. Thank you for watching this presentation.